it started kind of raining, so I was going home, and randomly, I felt like this burst of like heat, pretty much, and everything went dark. And it just felt like needles, like just constantly being stabbed into me.
I can't exactly explain why he doesn't have any outside burns, but it is fairly consistent with the lightning strike. Fortunately, the amount of electricity passing through muscles and heart wasn't enough to cause what we think will be lasting damage.
I feel like I'm Superman right now. Of course I think I'm looking. Like, shout out to God, because if it weren't for him, like, I'd be dead. Like, this is all miracle.
你弄好你吐血，弄好了，一定要弄好好。哼，就好领导。那这是不定，那这是不定，那这是不定个精咯。Enzo kalau hukum aku saya kun IPA saya lung hang tham ja ka game sa ja thuk sei jo kita mong chunong thuk game sa siang sei do chi sai ka chapal hang ni tin ni ka chi so ka win
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The dog's in the water. The dog's in the water.
Oh my god. Good girl.
Tessa!
Puppies,
Come here, puppy. Tessa! Oh my god, Tessa.
Come on, just say it.
Good girl, Tessa.
Do not give up. Good girl. Really good.
Oh my god. They're in a house now just around the corner, Trout Lake. She's with paramedics. Somebody brought her into their house and put her in a hot bath, I think, pretty quickly. I've never seen anything like that before.
Puppies,
Come here, come here.